On the shores of the Gulf of Finland, just outside St. Petersburg, stands a palace built to rival Europe's greatest royal residences. This is the Great Palace of Peterhof, a powerful symbol of imperial ambition, elegance, and artistic mastery. Commissioned in the early 18th century by Peter the Great, the palace was designed to showcase Russia's growing strength and sophistication. Inspired by the grandeur of European courts, Peterhof quickly earned its reputation as the Russian Versailles. From the outside, the palace stretches across a hilltop, offering sweeping views of fountains, gardens, and the sea beyond. Inside, visitors are welcomed by glittering halls filled with gold leaf decoration, crystal chandeliers, and richly painted ceilings. Every room reflects the luxury and authority of the Russian Empire. The magnificent throne room once hosted grand ceremonies and royal celebrations, while the elegant golden staircase dazzles with its intricate carvings and mirrors. These spaces were designed not just for beauty, but to impress foreign dignitaries and affirm imperial power. The palace was later expanded under Empress Elizabeth, who transformed it into a masterpiece of Baroque architecture with the help of renowned architect Bartolomeo Rastrelli. His bold design gave the Great Palace its dramatic style and lasting grandeur. Below the palace lies the famous Lower Park, home to more than 150 fountains. The spectacular Grand Cascade, powered entirely by gravity, remains one of the greatest fountain displays in the world, a perfect blend of art and engineering. During World War II, the Great Palace was nearly destroyed. What remained were ruins and memories. But through decades of careful restoration, skilled artisans revived its gilded halls and restored its former glory. Today, the Great Palace is part of the UNESCO-listed Peterhof Palace complex, welcoming visitors from around the world. It stands as a timeless reminder of Russia's royal past, a place where history, beauty, and power flow together like the fountains below.